solar-powered maternal and child health center on the Pakistan-Afghan border. 325 babies safely delivered with the help of renewable energy. Only one Earth.
$1,500 fishers have collected more than 300,000 kilos of plastic from the ocean. Only one Earth.
3 million pounds of food to about 10 to 15,000 households.
Only one Earth.
80,000 supporters who love to engage with environmental activism. 50 eco-wraps. Only one Earth.
We have enabled more than 32,000 people to be able to tell amazing, unbiased stories on environment, climate change, sustainability.
We're conserving over 15 million acres of land and over 30 million acres of ocean.
Only one Earth!
$3.5 billion in weatherization and climate change resiliency.
Tens of thousands of inspirational booklets about how you can eat plant-based for the climate.
280,000 electric vehicles on our roads.
Thousands of tons of food were saved from going to the landfills.
For hashtag
Only one Earth.